Welcome on this video, and again, my name is Sai of blog.sairilipisanable.com. So on this video, what I would like to share with you is how to create a Facebook page post with a call to action button. So ano ba yung sinasabi kong ganyan? Kasi this is also one of the frequently asked questions na tinatanong sa akin na may mga marketers or may mga entrepreneurs or mga kasama ko na nag-message sa akin, paano ko daw to ginagawa. So, as what you can see on the screen, this post that I have 8 hours ago regarding the online training that we did last night, with my other coaches, co-coaches, and the other leaders sa community namin. So, you can do this kasi yung alam ng iba, they can only do this post something like this that will look like this is kung mag-create ka ng ads. Kung hindi mo pa alam paano mag-create ng Facebook ads, then ituturo ko sa iyo paano gawin to using page post lang. So, there's no fee, it is completely free. Okay? So, if you're ready to learn, make sure to stay up until the end of this video. Alright? So, what you're going to do first is, you're going to go to this link, facebook.com ads/manager. So, kung wala ka pang nagawang ads before, it's okay. Just go to this post, ads/manager, and then hit on enter key or go sa keyboard mo para mapunta ka dun sa page. So, after na mag-load ito, it will show you this page. Okay? So, it is the parang home page ng Ads Manager. So, after mong pumunta dun sa Ads Manager, you needed to click this. Itong may tatlong bar sa upper left side, and then you have to choose page post. Okay, so again, page post is libre lang siya na pagpo-post na may call to action na button. So, after mo i-click yan, ito makikita mo. I-redirect ka dito sa page post, okay? So, it will show you yung mga post na ginawa mo sa page mo, of course. Yung reach, kung ilan na yung nag-engage, tapos kailan mo pinost. So, what you're going to do next is i-click mo lang yung create post. Okay? Para magawa mo yung ganitong style na makapaglagay ka ng description, ng headline, parang ganon, picture, and description, and yung call to action na button, and yung link kung saan mo gusto mapunta yung mga tao after they click on the call to action button. Okay? So, click natin to, create post. So, let's wait na mag-load siya. Create post, and ito makikita mo. So, yung URL na ilalagay mo dito is yung link kung saan gusto mong mapunta yung mga prospect mo. So, if you have your landing page, if you have your website, or sa case ko, since replay yun na isa sa mga training namin kagabi, so I created a separate web page for that. So, on this video, itong gagamitin ko na link. Yan. Tapos yung post text, para siyang description na makikita sa taas ng post mo. So, ito yun. Itong post text. So, ang gagawin mo lang, since itong ginawa ko kanina, kakopy ko lang since I already created mine. And yung call to action button, ito yan siya, itong learn more. So, marami kang option para sa call to action button. Shop now, learn more, sign up, book now, download, depende sa objective mo. Okay, for me, since gusto ko lang ipakita yung replay ng training namin last night, so I will just ask them to learn more. Yung link headline, ito yung headline niya, ito free video training. Okay, so importante na pag-isipan mo yung headline mo para i-click ng mga tao na makikita ng post mo. For me, yung gusto kong headline is ito, since free lang naman yung video training na yon about me and my other coaches, co-coaches, na magpapakita sa kanila paano kami kumikita sa internet. Okay? Yung display link naman, yung display link is pwede mong ilagay yung link ng website mo, pwedeng a blog, Cyril sa akin isanable.com. So, pwedeng ganyan. So, sa description, yung description makikita mo is itong for serious people. Yan, yung description na yan. So, ito kasi gusto ko makita ng post na to or gusto ko yung mag-click lang yung mga seryosong tao na willing mag-commit, willing mag-learn, and of course, willing mag-take ng action para magkaroon sila ng freedom or financial abundance. So, since now we're going to upload our own image, so you have to click on upload image. So, it will ask you to select an image and pwede kang maglagay ng sarili mong image. So, for my case, I already created my own image using Photoshop. So, again, basic lang yung ginagawa ko sa Photoshop, hindi complicated. Kasi hindi naman ako magaling doon. So, I'm just learning that skill as well. So, if you don't know how to create or how to do this kind of picture, you can ask someone to do it for you. Okay? Or you can go to canva.com. So, you can search it on Google or ask Yahoo about it. So, since we're going to post it or publish it on the page, sa Facebook fan page natin, yung ginawa mong page before, so just click on this radio button. Okay? And pwede ka maglagay ng location kung anong country lang or yung mga tao na makita ng post mo is from Philippines lang ba or kung from the United States, parang mga ganun. Since ako, yung target ko kasi is mga Pilipino lang, kasi yun yung gusto kong tulungan muna yung mga kapwa Pilipino. So, yan. After you created this, yan siya. So, all you have to do is to click on create post. So, maglo-load yan siya. So, let's wait for that one to stop. Okay. So, ganyan yung paggawa ng post sa Facebook na may call to action button na hindi ka nagagastos. So, after nyan is dito na makikita yung preview. So, ito na siya, free video training. So, all you have to do is, kailangan mong i-click to kasi hindi pa to siya completely or totally published sa fan page mo. Kasi, Facebook, itong kagandahan kay Facebook because they will ask you kung kailan mo gustong i-post itong mga ganitong post kasi pwede kang mag-schedule ng post. Diba? May mga scheduled post na makita mo dito sa left side ng page na to. So, pwede mong ito, i-click yung action, pwede mong i-schedule. Okay, so sa schedule, pwede kang pumili ng date and yung time na gusto mong i-publish yung post mo. So, pwede mong i-post tong post na to or itong ginawa mo sa page post sa time kung saan mas nag-e-engage yung mga visitor ng page mo or kung saan may pumupunta na mga follower sa page mo. So, sa akin, since tutorial to, so I would like to show you paano to i-publish agad. So, click mo lang yung publish. Click mo tong publish ulit. Yan, maglo-load yan siya. And yan. So, kung mawawala yan siya dito sa listahan mo, so all you have to do is to go to your fan page. So, i-refresh mo lang yung fan page mo and there, you will see the post na kinreate mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung post na ginawa natin kanina. So, maglo-load dapat to. So, tingnan natin. Para ma-check mo na na-post yun, dapat hanapin mo yung bagong post na may just now. Diba? Pag magpo-post ka, ipapakita naman ni Facebook kung kailan pinost. Kung an hour, after an hour, mga ganon, or 2 hours, 3 hours, just now. Hanapin natin. Yan, ito. So, ito yung ginawa natin kanina na post. Just now. Yan. So, meaning, ito yung ginawa natin kanina. Ito yung link. Tapos, again, once na i-click ng mga tao itong learn more, kasi itong learn more, ito yung tinatawag na call to action button. So, i-click na ng learn more, mare-redirect sila dun sa ginawa kong webpage kung saan pwede nilang ma-access yung video na gusto kong ipakita sa kanila. Okay, so that's how you use Facebook page post. So, ganun lang siya kadali, ganun lang siya kabilis mag-create using ganitong platform ni Facebook. So, I hope guys na may natutunan ka sa video na to, and make sure na mag-take ka ng action agad para malaman mo or para makapag-adjust ka agad. So, execution is one of the best way to learn. So, execute mo agad ang mga natutunan mo dito, and I hope na mag-subscribe ka din sa list ko. There is a link na nilagay ko together with this video. Sa description makikita mo, pwede kang mag-subscribe sa newsletter ko if you wanted to receive updates from me about online marketing and strategy and tips. Okay? So, one thing, don't forget to follow me on Facebook. So, just search my name, Sai Pisanable, or go to this URL na makita mo sa browser mo. So, thank you again so much for watching this video, and I hope na makita kita sa mga next video tutorials ko and sa mga video trainings. Thank you so much, and have a great day to all of you. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, guys, and if this video helped you, you can leave your comments below. You can click on like button, and also you can share the content. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. See you soon!